Dati 45 lang eh, Armalite.
Okay po. Candidate number 1 from Pigmentex. Miss Mary Grace Pangilinan.
Akin na yung ano.
Music po. Wala pong palakpakan dyan para sa Pigmentex.
Sana yung number.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mary Gracie Pangilinan from the Ultimate Defensive Firefighting Champion. I believe in saying that fire is a good servant, but a bad master. Thank you. Candidate number 2 from Barangay 10. Pinagbaybay.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Jennifer Bustillo from Kabilang Baybay, Carmona, Cavite. Fire Prevention Month is important because to educate student, family, and of course, our community. That is the importance of Fire Prevention Month. Thank you.
Candidate number 3 from GTC. Grabe, ang gaganda na yun.
Are you ready? Here we go. Passion is the art, desires of God. Angels in the dark, which one of you ever dared to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Passion.
Good morning everyone. My name is Regina Tabana, representing PTC Locators Association. Naniwala sa kasabihan na naniwala sa kasabihan na walang apoy kung walang usok. Kaya, bawal maglaro ng apoy upang hindi magkaroon ng sunog. And I thank you.
Candidate number 4 from Barangay Inagrosa.
Binata na to. Oh. Binata na.
Angels in the dark, which one of you ever dared to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista.
Excuse hi, good morning to everyone. My name is Mars Estrada, 24, naniniwala sa kasabihan. Try until you die. And when you die, at least you try. And I am the girl on fire from Barangay Milagrosa.
Candidate number 5
Pwede pala si Ana eh.
You have to show them, have them, or give them. Faces. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready?
Ismaan Aranya, 15, Lantit. Fire prevention is one man's job. Fire destruction is everyone's job. Thank you.
Candidate number 6 from Barangay Mabuhay.
Ugly allowed. Here we go. Angels of the dawn. Which one of you
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Rachel Lee Casas, 35, nanay ng 4 na mga bata, representing Mabuhay. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihang, huwag mong husgahan kapag hindi mo alam ang pinagdadaanan. Thank you.
Iugot ah.
From Barangay Bangkal. Candidate number 7.
beautiful? No one ugly allowed.
You were born to be free, to be real, not to be perfect. Faith Trinidad representing Barangay Bangkal.
Okay, candidate number 8 from Barangay 1 hanggang 4. Nasa na po dyan yung mga Barangay 1 hanggang Barangay 4?
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako si Aquila Benchiding Maraw mula sa Barangay Poblasyon, Carmona, Cavite at naniniwala sa kasabihan na sa kaalaman at pagtutulungan ng sambayanan, kaligtasan sa sunod ay makakamtan. Maraming salamat.
Candidate number 10.
You have to show them.
Candidate number 9 from Barangay Maduya.
No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art, designers are the gods, models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everybody's paid. Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look?
Good morning, mga kabarangay at
Ninibabaw eh.
kasama. I am Reyna Dacumos, 20 years old, from Barangay 9, Maduya. I believe that coming together is the beginning, keeping together is the progress, and working together is the key to success. And I thank you. Okay,
Saulado?
candidate number 10 from MDRRMO.
Show is about to start.
Ito ang sa MDR.
You have to show them. Have a look.
Agad na.
Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Trixie May de la Cruz, 20 years old, representing Rescue Team.
Beauty is a trade.
Candidate number 11 from Mets Logistics.
I think it's in Japan. Asia, Malaysia, Las Vegas to play. LA. If you pay my way, fashionista.
everyone. My name is Trisha Carranga, representing Nets Logistics. And I believe in saying elegance is the only beauty that never fades.
Now, candidate number 12 from UBC. Kukuha niya kaya ulit ang corona kayo taon?
No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Design is our God. Models play the part of angels. Which one do you want? And to go against. Beauty is a trade and everybody's paid. Fashionista.
A pleasant morning to each and one of you, standing in front of you, proud and loud, it's no other than Colette Monica Arada! 16 years young, proudly representing United Cabalita Civico 53M Carmona Cavite Chapter. I believe that as a woman myself, I must serve as an inspiration and motivation, especially to the youth nowadays. I would use this opportunity to gladly spread awareness about fire spreadness awareness like fire intervention and fire intervention. I personally believe that this knowledge will ensure our safety and of course save our property, and the most important thing is reduce fatality. And
And last but not the least, candidate number 13 from Inventory Exchange.
Samon! Gora, Gora!
Morning everyone, I'm Monica Pasqua, representing Inventory Exchange Center. I believe safety is doing right. Ayun po yan. Ayun po. Safety is the best. The best. Ayun po yan. Safety is the best. Is the right thing, even when no looking.
Nako, partner! Hindi pa pala tapos. Akala namin last na yun. May humahabol po pala. Wait lang po. May humahabol po. From the Bureau of Fire Protection.
FO1, Dadagay, Basungit. Pasok!
Dadagay Basugit, 34 years of age, with her knowledge. Representing Carmona Fire Station.
No one ugly allowed.
Wait lang, magpapakilala.
Here we go.
Girls, kabahan na kayo.
Hindi ako magsisimula kung walang singkapan! Nakasan niyo ba? Lang. RFO1, Dadagay Wawini Basungit from Carmona Fire Station. Pak kayo ng logo.
Sarado.
Bobong